In hair care, essential oils not only stimulate the scalp but also improves blood circulation and nourishes your hair follicles. It promotes healthy growth and prevents issues of hair loss and dandruff. I'm going to quickly run you all through top 3 essential oils for hair care. The first one is peppermint oil. The refreshing scent of peppermint oil invigorates your scalp and increases blood circulation, promoting hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that help prevent dandruff issues and scalp infections. The second one is rosemary oil, which is known for its stimulating properties. Rosemary oil strengthens the hair follicles. It prevents premature hair loss and improves hair thickness and density. It also has antioxidant properties that can neutralize free radicals and protect your scalp from damage. Third best essential oil is the cedarwood oil. Cedarwood oil has a balancing effect on the scalp's oil production, making it beneficial for both oily and dry hair. It stimulates the scalp and promotes blood circulation,